Anel Sobretodo and I'm a certified public accountant for 20 years. I will be your trainer in Microsoft Office courses. In this course, students will learn about Microsoft Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and Outlook. After taking this course, the students will be able to prepare business documents, business letters when it comes to Microsoft Word, and at the same time, students will be able to provide or prepare a more engaging presentation when it comes to Microsoft PowerPoint. And also, when it comes to data management and manipulation, the students will be able to prepare a more comprehensive reports in Excel. To those who want to take refresher courses and to those who like to add or learn new skills, come and enroll at Emirates Education Centre. Here, we teach success.